Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to properly set up and charge a dry lead-acid battery safely and correctly. Now, open all the battery caps carefully. You will see separate cells inside the battery. Next, take the correct battery acid, also known as diluted sulfuric acid. Slowly fill each cell one by one. Make sure you fill only up to the upper level mark. Do not overfill the battery because excess acid may overflow during charging. After filling the acid, leave the battery undisturbed for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. This waiting time is important because the battery plates need time to absorb the acid properly. Now let's move to charging. Take the battery charger and connect the positive terminal to the positive side of the battery. Then connect the negative terminal to the negative side. Always double-check the connections before switching on the charger. Avoid fast charging because it can reduce battery life and may damage the internal plates. Switch on the charger and allow the battery to charge slowly. Once the battery is fully charged, switch off the charger before disconnecting the cables. Finally, check the battery acid level once again. If the level has dropped, top up only with distilled water. Never use normal tap water inside the battery.